In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Wrike efficiently and effectively, even if you're new to the platform. Let's jump right in and make sense of the data at your fingertips. First things first, open up your preferred internet browser. Once it's up and running, type Wrike into the search bar. This will bring you to Wrike's homepage, which is your gateway to the powerful project management tools they offer. Next, you'll want to click on either the Login button if you already have an account, or the Try Wrike for free option if you're looking to start a new venture with this service. Whichever route you choose, your aim is to access Wrike's dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're logged into Wrike, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find various options that help you navigate the platform. One of these options is the Reports section. Go ahead and give that a click. This section is where you'll be creating and managing your reports. At the top of the Reports section, there should be a nifty little plus button. Clicking this will start the process of creating a new report. The dashboard will present you with several choices to cater to your needs. You can select from a variety of available report templates if you prefer some guidance, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can click on the Custom Report option to tailor it from scratch. Once you've decided on the type of report you need, it's time to give it a name. A descriptive name in the title field will help you and your colleagues easily identify the purpose or focus of the report. Clarity is key. After naming your report, now you'll want to specify where the report's data should be drawn from. Click on Select Project, Folder, or Space. This action allows you to pick the location or locations of interest. Don't worry, Wrike makes it easy to select multiple sources by simply clicking the plus button next to an already selected option. With your data sources selected, it's time to determine the focus of your report. In the Based On section, choose what specific element you'd like to report on, whether it be projects, tasks, subtasks, or even time entries. Wrike has got you covered. Now, fine-tuning your report involves applying the right filters and selecting the necessary columns. These aspects will provide the clarity and focus needed to achieve your report's goals and requirements. Finally, once you're happy with the setup, click the Add button to save your report.